Hi everyone. I want to show you the pot I got from Chinatown yesterday. I went to Chinatown yesterday to get some items from Extra Minds. So I got this pot. And this pot, see, let me tell you the story about it. I was negotiating this pot for 55,000. Five of it. I mean, five pieces, five pot for 55,000. But when Extra Minds said I have to go to Chinese town for him yesterday, I decided to check the pot out. See, I got the pot 7. Let me count. Let's count. This 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6, this 7. This is the cover. 7 of them. I got the pot for 48,000 naira. Yes, 7. Not 5. Oh. You know, I was negotiating 5 for 55,000. This is 7 I got for 48,000. Is aluminum pot. Is aluminum pot. I saw non-stick, I saw cast iron, I saw different pots. Different pots yesterday. So, depending on the one you want to buy, yellow ma focus the lori. See. So I got these other items too that Extra Mile said I should get for him. I got this also. This also I was negotiating it with her, and she told me that I should pay 45,000 thereabout. Is it 45,000 or 50? I think 45. I said I should pay 45. So I got it also 38,000. Then I got this water jug. I checked around Ladega. I didn't get a jug because our water jug needed replacement. So I got this jug too, 13,000 yesterday. I want to advise, if you want to get household items, just go to Chinatown. You get it cheaper and then you get everything you want in one place. Everything you want. But if you are going there, go with drive there or you take Uber, because to get out of that place is not easy, especially when you have you bought a lot of things. So you would need transportation. You need a car or hiba or anything or boat, or just get, make sure that you are mobile. That's just the basic thing. Make sure you are mobile. And when you are going, don't go for just one item. Go for 3. I won't say 2. Make sure you are buying 3, 4, 5 items so that it will worth the savings. Now I have savings of 55 minus 48. That's like 7,000. This also like 7,000. This I don't even know the price. These I can't even remember. I think they bought it 60,000 or something. The last time I heard. So I had savings, but I put all those savings together on each of those items. Owoni. So if you are going to Chinatown, make sure you are buying 3 or more items so that it will worth the savings, the time, and everything. All right, I'm sorry for not showing you when I was inside the place. So I hope you enjoyed my video. You enjoyed it. You have learned something today. So when you want to buy kitchen items, you can go to Chinatown or you go to Eco Market. Those are the places you can get them cheaper. But when you are going to those big markets, make sure you are not buying just one item. It's not because of one item. You should go to a Eco Market or a Chinatown. So that's my own advice. All right, see you. Bye.